Saturday morning. Okay. Salam sejahtera. Assalamualaikum. Saya perkenalkan diri saya. Nama saya Fazar Arif, pengasas Pergerakan Orang Wanita Empowerment and Revolution, acronym POWER. Diberi penghormatan mengacara pelancaran program pemerkasaan gender dan politik atau bahasa Inggrisnya Gender and Political Empowerment, acronym GAP. Jadi saya juga adalah salah satu dari peserta, like one of you out there, on the screen, mengikuti program ini. Salah satu daripada peserta-peserta yang para pemimpin dari organisasi masyarakat sivil dan NGO, dari masyarakat akar umbi juga ada di sini, dan para pemimpin kebanyakannya dari parti politik. Saya rasa para pemimpin politik wanita yang datang dari beberapa daerah di seluruh Sabah, 12 parti politik semuanya, dan buat pertama kalinya berada di atas pelantar yang sama, ya, mengikuti program yang sama. So we are all honored this morning. Ucapan terima kasih dan tahniah pada Sao, yaitu penganjur program yang julung-julung kali diadakan di Sabah khasnya dan di Malaysia amnya. Bagi pihak penganjur juga saya mengucapkan terima kasih dan selamat datang ke pelancaran secara Zoom pagi ini pada para jemputan, rakan media, rakan-rakan yang lain yang saya diberitahu penyokong tegar Sabah Women's Action Resource Group, ya, atau lebih dikenali SAWO, sebagai SAWO. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'd just like to run through the program to you very quickly for the next 30 minutes. Indeed, cara pelancaran melalui Zoom is going to be very quick. 30 minutes goes very quickly. Soon after, we will actually get to watch all the video kegiatan SAWO dan akan mengambil selama 12 menit. Lepas itu kita akan melihat video kedua diterbitkan oleh komiti yang dipilih pada 22 hari bulan lalu, yaitu Komiti Pelancaran dan Penutupan yang diketuai oleh saya sendiri. Selepas itu kita akan mendengar ucapan dari Presiden SAWO. Okay, now Amy, if you are ready, okay, let us watch the video.
Saya seorang pejabat awam berkhidmat di bawah Kementerian Kesihatan Malaysia dan telah bertugas lebih kurang 18 tahun. Sudah berumah tangga dan mempunyai 4 orang anak. Alhamdulillah, dan jutaan terima kasih saya ucapkan kepada SAWA kerana memberi saya peluang untuk mengikuti program. Okey, kaum wanita memerlukan tindakan dan perjuangan yang lebih berani dan kesedaran peranan wanita dan lelaki sebagai rakan kongsi antara jantina perlu diterapkan dalam politik negara bagi mewujudkan keadaan seimbang antara jantina dan membina hak masyarakat yang lebih saksama dan adil, dan juga kesediaan diri dalam kemampuan pemimpin wanita itu berhadapan dengan tugas di ruang awam dan juga di ruang pribadi. Kepada wanita terus berjuang dan kita adalah pemimpin.
Hello everybody, my name is Hana Wong Abdullah and I am very honored to be invited to join in the inaugural Gender and Political Empowerment GAP program. I am happily married with 2 adult children and I work with my husband on our consulting and training business here in KK. I have been in the NGO and CSO space for about 20 years in KK, in KL and internationally. But doesn't matter where, I believe in lifelong learning. So I hope to learn from everybody because all of us are from such different backgrounds. I'm looking forward to deepening my understanding on the gender issue to find out how we can work together more inclusively, cohesively, and support more women to join politics so that we can have our voices heard and all the way up to policy change level. Let's hope we can show everybody that wanita boleh.
Saya Beverly Ko, saya berasal daripada Kota Belud, Sabah. Saya merupakan ibu kepada 6 orang anak dan saya bekerja sendiri. Saya merupakan ketua wanita kepada salah satu parti politik tempatan. Program ini pada pendapat saya merupakan program yang sangat baik agar mampu memenuhi 30% kuota wanita di dalam Kabinet Negeri di masa akan datang ini. Mudah-mudahan lebih ramai pemimpin di peringkat sektor NGO dan juga politik akan dapat tampil ke hadapan dan lebih menonjol di masa akan datang.
Assalamualaikum. Saya Siti Hazar binti Ibrahim, umur 31 tahun, terlibat dengan NGO, parti politik sejak awal 20-an. Saya berasal daripada Sandakan, ya, tapi sekarang bekerja dan menetap di Kota Kinabalu. Pengalaman dalam NGO dan parti politik tidaklah banyak mana, masih terlalu kurang lagi pengalaman, kurang pengetahuan dan banyak lagi yang perlu dipelajari dan banyak lagi yang saya berminat untuk ketahui dan pelajari. Jadi saya I'm very looking forward to this program, ya. Dapat I hope I can make new friends during the program, and saya harap kita boleh bekerja sama mencapai misi yang kita mahu bawa nantilah. InsyaAllah. Okey, sekian.
Hai, saya Rosina Dian, berasal daripada Telupit. Sudah berkahwin dan mempunyai 4 orang anak, 4 orang cucu. Saya adalah suri rumah sepenuh masa. Saya terlibat dalam SAWA ataupun sokongan tempatan sejak daripada 2010. Dan pendapat saya tentang program ini adalah amat penting untuk diketengahkan kepada wanita-wanita, khususnya dalam politik dan kepimpinan komuniti. Dan juga harapan saya agar ianya boleh membuka mata pihak-pihak tertentu, bukan sahaja pihak bawahan tetapi pihak-pihak yang berkepentingan di atas sana untuk memberi peluang wanita berkarya sebagai pemimpin. Itu harapan saya untuk rangkuman dalam keseluruhan acara ini nanti. Untuk itu, terima kasih dan salam mesra.
Wow, that was fast. Almost 20 minutes passed and you didn't even know it, yeah? I hope everyone is excited I am excited and inspired after those 2 videos. Sekarang tanpa lengah kita akan mendengar ucapan dari pengasas dan Presiden Sawo, Puan Winnie Yi, dan seterusnya pengisytiharan pelancaran GAP, launching of the inaugural program of GAP by the President of Sawo. Soon after, we hear some words from from her. Winnie, over to you.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, make some noise, people.
Yay!
So great to have everybody. Woi, nah, 43 di dalam ini.
Wow.
Wow. Negarkan Sabah.
Yes. Yes.
Kita.
Yes.
Ya. So, terima kasih Datin, Fazar. Lancar kau punya BM, saya pun stres lah ini, habislah saya. Saya punya BM ini, BM rojak. Biasalah kan orang Sabah, tapi saya akan coba as much as I can, kasih mix-mix lah. Oke. Saya tidak akan cakap panjang dan lebar, karena itu di dalam kursus kami. Oke, ya. So, it is my great honor. Saya sangat bangga, saya sangat berterima kasih dibagi peluang. Ya, this is a great honor, ladies. Ya, it's a great honor to be given the chance to say a few words. Nah, ini mau nangis sudah ini. Itulah saya tidak boleh jadi pemimpin politik. Nangis saja saya punya kerja. Oke. Great honor from the bottom of my heart. I speak from my heart. Okay. So, nah.
Mai.
Marah sudah.
Ayun saya lah.
Off kau punya video itu Presiden bercakap. Sedang bercakap. Oke. Datin Faza pun sudah cakap. What is the so istimewa about today? Kau tengok bah kami punya background, macam we are launching to outer space. Betul, we are going, especially for Sawo, the Sawo team who has been working so hard, we are going into uncharted territory. Itulah kenapa background dia macam betul-betul launch and take off bah. Ya. Harap-harap landing dia pun selamat juga. Tapi saya yakin dengan kerjasama, dengan sokongan, dengan with all the love and sisterhood, yes, and of course from our allies, our wonderful men, men in our lives, men in other people's lives, in the community. You are our allies. We are counting on you. Without all of us working together, bekerja sama, memperjuangkan hak untuk semua. Ini bukan saja hanya untuk wanita, karena kamu pun tahu, or you have heard the saying, you kasih memperkasakan wanita, you memperkasakan keluarga, you memperkasakan community, masyarakat, Sabah, Malaysia, region, and the world. Yeah, my gosh, that's why the background is like that, yeah. Think locally. Kalau dalam zaman kami dulu in the early 80s, the rally cry is think locally, act locally, think globally. Okay, so there's this connection, right? Being connected. So I'm not going to say too much. It's about getting together. It's about putting all our energy and resources. Wanita ini kan, kamu pun tahu, sibuk saja. Bukan diam-diam di rumah, is twiddling our thumbs. We are so sibuk. Kau tengok rambut saya pun tiada masa mau bikin cantik dalam sanggul, macam untuk ngadau. Tapi kami sibuk dengan apa? Hal-hal anak, hal-hal keluarga, hal-hal community, hal-hal pandemik, hal-hal apa sajalah, sibuk saja. Tapi dengan ini semua, it should not be a surprise that we should be sibuk di mana? Di majelis perbendaharaan, district council, di tempat-tempat, di MPKK, di community, di village, kan? Di Dewan Undangan Negeri, di mana-mana agensi, institusi, dan mekanisme untuk membuat keputusan. Karena dari penglibatan kami, ya, kami kan, kita, us, kita lindungi kita, ya, okay, kita. With all that busyness everywhere, it does not make sense. It blows my mind. Why are we not sitting at the table where decisions are made, where decisions that are going to impact lives, our children's lives, our cucu's lives, our community's life. Kenapa kami tiada di sana? Buat sekarang hanya 1% kah? 10% kah di Dewan Undangan Negeri? Buat sekarang kosong di kabinet, kosong. Jadi bila kabinet mesyuarat mau cerita tentang pandemik atau food security di pensiangan kah apakah, mana suara wanita? Kami haraplah suara wanita akan disalurkan melalui Kementerian Pembangunan Masyarakat dan Kesejahteraan Rakyat. Dia lelaki. Tapi tak kira lelaki ke perempuan. Kalau dia gender sensitive, dia connected to our needs, memang dia salurkan. Tapi malangnya dia, he's in charge of everything. He has to take care of everything. So kau tahu kan wanita, kami usually will forget our needs. We will forget our interests. We always work toward the interest of family and others. So enough, ladies, because we do that. Karena oleh itu kami punya konon parangai dan gender punya ya dalam kotak gender kami. We have to be the ideal woman, ya. Jangan bising, jangan buka mulut besar macam si Winnie itu, ya. Cukup. Karena kami tidak peduli, karena kami tidak berani, karena kami tidak mau ambil tanggung jawab menjadi pemimpin, ya. Walaupun kami sudah buat kerja macam pemimpin, tapi tidak mau nama, tidak mau tanggung jawab yang nanti, susah nanti orang cari saya, okay? Enough. Karena kalau we are not taking our place at the table where decisions are made, jangan haraplah orang lain pihak. Mereka mau coba. I know decision makers try to put our voices. Tapi agendanya, kau tahu lah kan kalau high level agendanya memang very panjang dan yang penting saja. Jadi kamu pun tahu community dan wanita bukan begitu penting lah, walaupun on International Women's Day, Mother's Day, and whatever day, wanita best, without you we will bla 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 bla, ya itu saja. Tapi dalam dia punya policy undang-undang kau tengoklah itu akta keganasan rumah tangga 20 tahun baru keluar. Itu akta gangguan seksual kami masih tunggu lagi. Saya harap dalam kehidupan saya, insya Allah, I'm going to see that act being passed by Parliament, insya Allah, dan diimplementasikan di semua pelosok negara Malaysia. Bukan saja di Klang Valley, tapi di Pansiangan, di Nabawan, di Tawau, di Semporna, di Kunak, dan sebagainya. Okay, dengar kamu we, the participants in GAP comes from all these various areas. Okay, and participants of GAP, we are not targeting the leaders yang sudah di dalam sana. We are targeting the young and upcoming leaders. Okay, together. We work together as activists, as CSO, as community leaders, and as political leaders. Together, we claim, we are doing the future that we want to see. Not harap other people going to do it for us. Ya, wanita, biarlah dia buat. Saya di belakang masak kari, kasih dia makan, bikin teh. Harap dia pandai cakap. I don't need to tell you how many times I have done that and been very disappointed. Tapi, whose fault is that? It's my own fault, right? Yeah. Alright, so itu saja saya mau kasih semangat sedikit ya untuk kita semua. In doing so, saya sendiri pun bersemangat juga ya. Dan saya rasa saya punya tugas itu kasih pukul gong juga kan? Simple saja. Oh my goodness, saya berceramah kecil tadi. Tapi sebelum saya finish up here, saya mau acknowledge, saya mau how do we say in BM, acknowledge, mengenalkan orang-orang yang kalau dalam Cina dia bilang Kui Ren. Yoklin, where are you? You taught me this. Kui Ren means orang yang mahal, orang yang berguna, orang yang ada, segalanya. Bila sawo tidak pandai, dia pergilah minta tolong, minta nasihat dan sebagainya. All these wonderful people, you are not the only one. You are representing through the era. Just now we were joking. Representing the old era kunun lah, 80-an sampai apa? Ada Dr. Cecilia di sini, okay? Representing our friends in the network, political empowerment network, ada si Karen, and then satu organisasi yang paling spesial untuk ini gap is the Westminster Foundation for Democracy. Okay, so Usha is here. She wants to say a few words. But Westminster, WFD, was the one that put the idea of doing this into our head, starting with the visit of the previous High Commissioner to Sawa Center, and that started it. Okay, so can I ask whether any of our beloveds want to say a few words? Prof. Chinghuat is in the room also. If you want to say something, I open a few minutes to you guys before I pukul the gong. Anyone? Usha, you say you want to say something, kan?
Sure. Yes, I will say something now. Thank you.
Okay.
So, good morning, everyone. Can you see me? I'm not sure. I can't even see my own face right now. Here I am.
You can see you.
This is my Saturday morning face. So, thank you so much to Savo for inviting me to this launch. I had the privilege and honor of working with Savo in 2019, and it started out with the Parliament Malaysia and WFD organizing a conference, I think, to get more women in politics in February 2019, and I had started with WFD then, and we had actually picked to work with a women's organization that was not so prominent, not because of anything, but because we wanted to actually give an opportunity to all women's organizations to actually do something on women's empowerment. So we worked with SAWO, and we had a mentoring program. And that mentoring program actually was for the whole year. I think I was in Sabah like 4 or 5 times, the most times I've ever come to Sabah. Not that I don't like Sabah, I love Sabah, but I was actually there quite a number of times to work with Winnie and all the SAWO ladies, and also Yoklin, who is here, I think. Hi, Yoklin. She was our trainer for the training for the mentoring. And also, I think Dr. Cecilia Ng is also here. All these people were very helpful to WFD to talk about the gender. The women's organizations, I have to say, in Malaysia, they were very impressive. I've been in the NGO line for quite long, but last year and from 2019, working with SAWO, working with the Women's NGO has been such a privilege and honor. You can do it, really. Please don't give up hope. Please go ahead. We need more women in politics. We need women in positions of leadership. So I really, really hope that this initiative will continue to go on. WFD will support from behind. I don't know whether I'm going to get a lot of funding this year because of COVID-19, but wherever we can, we will be there with you. We will not leave you. I've not left SAWO, Winnie. I haven't called you, I know last year, but last year was crazy. I had Karen Lai also helping me with my project last year on gender. I hope to continue this initiative. So really all the best and do keep in touch, yeah? And I will be in Sabah again as soon as all of this is over. So
excellent, excellent. Usha, whatever you said, the part about trying to get funding is the one that kasi tickle our ear. I think all the participants will agree with me because in the module, the last part is a practical one and we have yet to get money to work on the ground together. So we are inviting, we're putting it out there, people. We're looking for money for that module. Thanks, Usha. Who else? Cecilia, you want to say something to pass over the fire to the young leaders today? Cecilia?
Thanks, Winnie. And congratulations, SAWO, for launching this very excellent program. And Winnie, for always continuing the mentor from the 1980s. More power to you all. Yeah, so glad to see all the participants. And just a little word, because I was thinking about political empowerment, and I was reminded of Dr. Francis Lowe, Professor Francis Lowe, who talked about the big P and the small p. P besar dan P kecil. So P kecil adalah apa yang aktiviti yang kita semua buat dalam community. You know, not the small is important, but the community work that we're doing with our families, with the people in SAWO NGOs. Now you're going into the big P, P besar. P besar dengan authorities, political parties, state legislative level, local council, which is a different kind of animal altogether. So now I think this program is very good to connect the little P and the big P. And all success to you all. Thank you very much for the time.
Thank you, Cecilia. It makes our day that you managed to wake up in time for this. I'm so bad. We'll talk to you again. We are not going to let you off so easy. We want to tap into that, wonderful head of yours and all that experience. We would love you to give us your pulse of wisdom now and then. Thank you, Cecilia. I think I will just take one more because we are already running out of time. How about we ask our allies, our male ally, Ada, is there any male allies in the room? Apart from the press, of course. The press not allowed to talk, huh? Anybody? Yeah?
We have Ashraf here.
Ashraf?
Yes.
Ashraf is here. Does Ashraf want to say something? 1 minute.
Hello, ya.
Hai Ashraf.
Sorry ya, bising sikit sebab ada anak sebelah saya.
No worry. I'm so used to that.
Ya. Aris. Okay, sorry ya. Jadi firstnya, pertamanya saya ucapkan terima kasih kepada SAWO. Boleh dengar ke?
Boleh.
Boleh dengar?
Boleh.
Okey. Ya, pertamanya saya ucapkan terima kasih kepada SAWO di atas undangan yang diberikan. Jadi saya rasa program ini amat bermakna lah. Inisiatif ini sangat bermakna untuk memperkasakan, terutamanya saya fikir wanita di dalam banyak bidang sekarang dah memang ada yang menjadi pemimpin Tetapi di sini kita lihat kurangnya wanita untuk memimpin dari sudut politik lah. Jadi saya rasa ini yang perlu lebih diperkasakan dan lebih kan, supaya saya bersetuju juga dengan apa yang Winnie cakap tadi, iaitu wanita perlu berani untuk mengambil tanggungjawab menjadi pemimpin, bukan hanya sekadar menyokong lelaki menjadi pemimpin di peringkat politik lah. So ini adalah satu perjuangan yang saya rasa panjang, dan juga yang utama sekali adalah wanita yang perlu berani dan perlu lantang lah untuk bercakap dan memberikan pandangan mereka. Ya, supaya wanita dilihat dapat bukan lantang dari sudut, bukan cakap isu-isu wanita sahaja, tetapi juga isu-isu yang lain yang menyentuh kehidupan rakyat. Ya, saya rasa ya mungkin itulah secara ringkas. Baik, terima kasih.
Bagus punya itu. We have to remember. Betul itu. Gender itu bukan hanya wanita. Thank you, Ashraf. Thank you for coming. Okay. Thank you. So I think we need to move on, because we are running over time. So without much ado, saya also want to menghargai the presence of Duri Fong from FMT, Daily Express, and what is that? Who is from The Vibes? Sorry, Rebecca from The Vibes, and then we have the Nabalu News, Jacqueline and Dedri. We are counting on you to sebarkan ini, because we are still taking in leaders who have the right background to join us. It's never too late. Okay, so without further ado, I hereby declare, saya mengistiharkan, ini macam TYT, ini mau mengistiharkan pembukaan dan launch program pemerkasaan gender dan politik. Sekarang juga kasih dong dah.
Louder, dong.
Ada dong, but ada satu video yang sangat berinspirasi. Boleh put it on now. Our team put on the women are coming. Okay. Okay.
No.
Okay.
Wow. Okay, Jellyfish.
All right.
Photo taking now, huh? Yeah, Fazal?
Yes. Yeah.
You need to organize that.
Yeah. So everybody, I hope you all sudah panas, bersemangat. Once again, thank you to all the guests for joining us, and then everybody else. Oh, I hope you are ready because we are in for a ride, I think, yeah? Winnie, yeah? And then as leaders, it's not about being just taking up the leadership role, right, Winnie? It's about preparation, preparing yourself, yeah? And making sure that we are open to learning. Okay, let's now take the group photos. Thank you very much, everyone, and have a nice Saturday. Have a nice weekend.
Okay, I'm going to count to 3, but for those who are not switching on their camera, please kindly kasih pasang dia dulu supaya boleh nampak ke muka. Ya. Siapa yang belum on tuh sila kasih on dulu. Okay. Siapa lagi belum on? Semua on sudah? Okay, alright. I will count. Okay, kita sedia senyum besar-besar. 1, 2, 3. Okay, hold on na, page. We need to go page number 2 lagi. Hold on na. Okay, everyone, again. Alright, you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, hold on na. Last one. Okay. Hold on. Okay, page kedua, Cecilia Ng, I don't see your face. Jolly pun, Nor Sabrina. Ya, kasih on. Okay. Alright.
My face?
Okay, nampak Cecilia, I don't see yet.
Ada?
Not yet.
Ada.
Okay. Okay, it's okay. Alright, anyway. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. All right, thank you everyone.
Smile.
Thank you. So Winnie, we can leave them. The guests can leave.
Yes. Thank you for coming, everyone. The guests and the media can leave. We are going to take 5-minute bladder stop. Because sudah minum teh, mau pergi apa dulu? Bladder stop dulu. 5 minit bolehkah semua orang? Okay. We will meet again in 5 minutes to start our module. Okay. See you all in 5. Bye. Thanks, everyone. That was awesome.
Bye.
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 And all the best for exciting program for next few months.
Thank you. Inshallah, we will be talking to you soon. Bye. Okay, let us stop, people.
Okay.